3 times x plus 3. So this is nothing really new. It's just kind of giving you some shortcuts to some tricks for multiplying these things together if you see one that looks like this. Okay? Who can tell me what I would get if I FOILed this or I multiplied this together? Go ahead, Sage.
X squared plus 3x
Yep.
plus 3x
Yes.
plus 9.
It simplifies to
X squared plus 6x plus 9.
Okay? So don't do what a lot of kids do when they get to algebra 2 or even pre-calc. They forget about this. They say, oh, this is x plus 3 squared. This just means it's x squared plus 9. Is that right? No, because you don't just square this and square this, because this means this is wrong, right? This means x plus 3 times x plus 3. So there's those middle terms, the first and the outer terms, that I need to take care of. So that's x squared plus 6x plus 9. What if I did y minus 4 squared? Y minus 4 squared. Who wants to give that one a try? Go ahead, Hayden. You want to try?
Sure.
Go ahead. What would you get?
Y squared minus 1.
First is y squared. Outer terms,
Yeah, what would that be? Y minus 4.
minus 4y.
Yeah.
Inner terms,
Minus 4y.
and last terms, minus 4 times minus 4.
8
No, 4 times 4
plus 16.
plus 16. Okay? Now I'm going to combine like terms. Y squared minus 8y plus 16. So here we go, here we go. Now, there's actually a shortcut for doing it. All right? Because if I think about it, I'm just going to tell you what that shortcut is. A plus b squared. This is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And a minus b, this is the difference of two terms, is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. In other words, if I look at this one, okay, so this is kind of a formula that you need. Well, look at this one. So if I want to, I don't have to go through the whole process of FOILing and simplifying. Okay? A plus b squared is just this squared plus 2 times this times this. What's 2 times x times 3? 6x plus this squared, which is 9. Okay? And this says if I'm subtracting the same thing and squaring it, it's just the first term squared minus 2 times the first term times the second term plus the last term squared. So in other words, what if I wanted to do x plus 7 squared? Who can tell me what that is without foiling it? Without foiling it out. What's the first thing?
Squared.
X squared. And then I have to go 2 times this times this. What's 2 times 7? 14 times x, right? Because it's 2 times 7 times x, which is 14x, plus 7 squared. What's that? 49. See the shortcut there? Okay? So rather than do this, x plus 7 times x plus 7, I can plug into the, and then FOIL it and then simplify terms. There's a shortcut. If it's just this plus this squared, I just square this, multiply this times this twice, and then square this and add them all up. And if it's subtraction, I would do the same type of thing. Who wants to try, m minus 5 squared? Really quick. Give that a try. You guys try. Go ahead there, Nolan.
Is it m squared
Yes?
minus 10x,
Perfect. 10m.
10, well, 10
Yep.
minus,
Not minus.
plus 25.
Exactly. Can you tell us how you got that?
I just did that.
You just did the formula, right? Okay? So it's just this term squared, this times this twice, right? Which is, this times this twice, which is minus 10m, and this squared, which is plus 25. Questions? Could you do that? Is that easy? Is it hard? It's medium. All right. What if I had something like, so now it's going to boost it up a notch. It always gets harder, doesn't it? 2a plus 3 squared. Think about it like this. Oh, let me let you guys try. And then here's where this can be kind of useful, maybe. What if I want to do 51 squared? Anyone ever see that math guy who does like math tricks in his head? Stuff? He can multiply stuff really fast.
Watch a video.
Like, yeah.
Watch. We will someday. Okay? Hey. So watch. Okay? How can I rewrite 51? Exactly. So this is 50 plus 1. Right? Squared. Yes? 50 plus 1 squared. So I can think of this as 50 squared plus 2 times 1 times 50. Or 2 times 50 plus what squared? Plus what squared?
Squared.
Plus 1 squared. Right? Using that formula I just gave you. Anyone know what 50 squared is? 2500. What's this? 2 times 50. 100. What's 1 squared? 1. So I bet that 51 squared is 2601. Whoa.
That's crazy.
That's crazy. Isn't that cool? So here's some mental math for you. Try doing, see if you can do this without multiplying 99 times 99. See if you guys can think of a way to multiply, to do 99 squared. Kind of using that kind of same strategy. This is kind of cool. I never started my video.
How?
Oh,
Oh.
there it is. Look at all that nice math. What we're doing here, for those of you in the viewing audience, is showing you math tricks. You can review this on your own time. Okay. So next thing, what if I had x minus 5 times x plus 5? Let's FOIL that. Or let's FOIL that. What's the first terms?
It's a
What's f?
x squared.
X squared. What's outer? So the first terms is this times this. Outer
Yes,
is
5.
this times this. What's that?
Oh.
Plus 5x. The inner terms, which is this one and this one, is
Negative 5x.
minus 5x. And the last terms are
Negative 25.
negative 25. Very nice. Minus 25. What happens to the plus 5x and the
What?
minus 5x?
What?
Whoops. And then minus 20. Right? What's plus 5x and minus 5x? What happens to those?
Nothing.
Goes away. So I get x squared minus 25. So that's another kind of shortcut which comes up a lot. So if I have like a plus b times a minus b, that's just equal to a squared minus b squared. Okay? This is something that would be useful to know. And this is really easy. Say I had y minus 8 times y plus 8. Who can tell me how to do this? Is where it'd be useful to have a shortcut. Who can tell me what that is?
Y squared.
Plus
Minus y squared
Yeah, plus.
minus b squared. A squared minus b squared. So this is a. What's b? minus what? Minus 64. That's it. Okay, it's this squared minus this squared. Does that make sense? So here's a question for you. What would be 51? Think about this. What would be 51 times 49? Well, how could I write 51? 50 plus 1. How could I write?
Plus 25 plus 1.
How could I write 49? 50 what?
Minus
Minus 1. What's 50 squared?
25.
2500. What's plus 1 times minus 1?
1.
Minus 1. 2499. If you multiply this times this on your calculator, I bet you $1 that's what you get. Want to bet me $1?
No, but I will just check it anyway.
Just check it anyway. Check it with my powerful wrapping calculator.
Just for the
Just for the heck of it.
the hell of it.
Halibut.
Just for the hell of it.
That's why you go fishing in Alaska.
That's, oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one.
Mr. Leader, what other jokes do you know?
What? I know.
More math jokes.
I know why you go. I know why you go fishing in Alaska.
What?
Just for the halibut.
Ah!
He said that in like 3 seconds.
Okay. 51. 51 times 49
49.
equals 2,499.
Someone knows your dollars.
Okay? Cool math tricks. Isn't that cool? Okay. Here, let's give you a you try. Let's try this. Try to do, just for the heck of it, for the hell of it, try to do,
Oh, you just laying them down.
see if you can do this. 63 times 57 without multiplying it out, using kind of that technique that I just showed you. See? So, how can I rewrite 63?
60 plus 3.
60 plus 3.
I got you.
How can I write 60 or 57?
50.
3591.
What do you get? 3591? Is that right? 3, 5. I believe Aiden is correct. Whoops, 91.
Good job.
Very good. You can show your parents how fast you can do that. Nice. Good. So what Aiden just did, he does 3,600 minus 9, right? Which gives you this. Right? 60 squared minus 3 squared would give you 3,591. Pretty cool, huh?
91.
Okay. Your homework. Homework.
Are you recording?
Homework.
Yeah, I'm recording.
Okay.
Page 507, 127, 9 to 33 odd, and then 36, 41, 47, and 51. I didn't go over all the word problems just because I didn't want to kill you here, but you did.
CCSP, dude.
See.